Now, if you own the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G and you get locked with a password pattern and you can't figure out what the password you enter, or maybe someone else is playing your phone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset the phone. Means you're going to bring the phone back to the factory reset, so that way you will be able just to bypass this password. Before we start, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now, quick disclaimer, after you finish the hard reset, you may lose all your information that you have on the phone because you're doing factory reset, and also you are required to use the same Gmail account if you have one that's synced to the phone already. Now, the hard reset will go in two different stages. The first stage, we need to shut the phone off completely. Now, Galaxy A25, if you're trying to shut the phone by pressing the power key and then go to power button here, it won't let you do this because you have to unlock the pattern. So what we need to do instead, we need to force restart the phone by pressing two keys, the power and the volume down, for almost 5 to 7 seconds. And then we need immediately to remove our fingers from the volume down and the power after 1 second, and press again on the volume up and the power key. This is very important. Let's go ahead and do it together. Now, first we need to press together volume down and power key. Let's go ahead and do it. Now, once you see the screen turn black, you have to release for 1 second and put your finger back on the power and the volume up. Same what I just did. Now hold, don't let it go. Keep hold, volume up and the power key till it takes us to the recovery menu. Now, here is the recovery menu where we need to go and do the factory reset. We're going to get a bunch of options, but what you really need, just navigate through volume down and select wipe data factory reset. Now, to select, you need to press power key. So go ahead, press power key, and then you're going to get a warning that you're going to lose all the information. That's fine. Go ahead, select volume down, highlight factory data reset, and then press the power key again and wait a few seconds, and then the phone will take us back to reboot system. Now go ahead and press on the power key. Now the phone gonna start doing the format, and the phone will be back as the first day you purchase the phone. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here in Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta